Hey everyone, I am here today with the August 2020 Pup Mom Crate unboxing. Guys, I actually had to take a peek inside this one because it was so cute, and now I'm so excited to show you the video. So here's the first part of every single Pup Mom Crate. It is their Share the Love card to be able to win monthly giveaways, and basically it tells you exactly what you'd need to do to share with them on social media. Okay, and then here's the card for the August box. These are so cute. This is probably my favorite box so far. We have got a chew bone, we've got dog treats, we've got an oven mitt that says dog hair is just a condiment. We have got a fuzzy wuzzy dog toy. We've got bone broth for the dogs. We've got a COVID puppy dog mask. We've got salmon skin roll treats. And then we have a birthday cookie and a raw juice sheet mask. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. What I love about Pup Mom Crate is everything is full size. You don't get samples with these guys, so this is awesome. So here's the COVID mask, and I just love it. It's so cute. I ended up giving this one to my daughter since mine has a respirator on it, so she can use that one. The birthday cookie. They send this only if it's your dog's birthday for that month. We've got a full-size bag of salmon skin rolls. I think they've had this before and it's actually really tasty. They really do like these. We've got the bone broth, which is turkey bone broth for dogs. That's actually really interesting. I've never heard of bone broth for dogs before. We've got Harvest Blends, peanut butter and banana flavored dog treats, and I love that it is wheat, corn, and soy free, and all of these treats that they send, guys, are all made in the US, so I really enjoy that. My favorite new thing, dog hair is just a condiment oven mitt, which is so cute. I love that. And it's very thick too. Then we have a Flavor It dog Flavor It chew, and this one is peanut butter flavor. I know my dog Rue will love that. And then we have a raw juice mask, which is pineapple, kiwi, pear, and ginger. This is obviously for the humans, even though it has a puppy dog face on it. And then last but not least, we have the Fuzzy Wuzzy dog treat toy. So it squeaks and it's nice and fuzzy, and I know that my little Chihuahua miniature pincer Rocky will love this. So again, this is everything that ended up coming in the August 2020 Dog Mom Crate box. If you guys love them, go ahead and check them out at dogmomcrate.com, and make sure that you share the love with them on Instagram at instagram.com/dogmomcrate.